Hi everyone, thanks for watching Motor Trader. My name is Danny. In our last episode, we shared with you how to buy a car. So in this episode, we're going to share with you how to sell your car. So selling your car could be a relatively easy process if you know how, or it can be really tedious if you don't. So there are basically two ways to sell a car, one of which is selling directly to a car dealer, or two, selling it yourself. So if you want to sell your car yourself, you can list your car onto platforms like Motor Trader, and once there is a buyer, you can do the following steps. The first thing you need to do is to go to Puspakom. So at Puspakom, there are two tests that you can take. If your transaction does not require a bank, meaning there's a cash buyer waiting for you, you do a B5 test. If you or your buyer requires a bank loan, then you will require to do a B7 test. The second step is to cancel your existing insurance. So you just need to call your insurance company, tell them that I'm going to sell my car, and terminate your existing policy. You may also opt to tell them that you will be transferring your existing policy to a new car, whichever new car that you are buying. The third step you need to do is to go to JPJ itself. So now at JPJ, together with your B5 or B7 inspection form, request for a JPJ K3 form, just like this. Fill up the form and together with all the documents submit to the counter and wait for your turn. If everything is alright, the officer will request for your IC and your thumbprint to complete the whole transfer process, and that's basically done. So actually that's it. It's relatively easy, but there are several things that you should look out for when selling your car, and here are some tips. The first tip is do not transfer the VOC or the vehicle itself to the new owner before the transaction is complete. Number two, beware of scammers. There are scammers everywhere and they are out to get you. So you have to be extra vigilant. So if a deal is too good to be true, it is too good to be true. There are currently scams that ask for a huge amount of deposit or say that they are not from your region, they will send a logistic company to pick up your car. Lots of those, they are all on the internet. Do a quick research before you buy. If you find a buyer that is giving you a promise that is way too good, do a quick search, you will find it. Number 3, before going to Puspakom, if you have a heavy tint, remove them first, otherwise they will remove it for you. Number 4, settle your bank loan. Now make sure all payments have been done, any outstanding has been settled, and make sure you get a release letter from the bank to say that your loan has been settled. And finally, clear all your summons. If you do not clear them, you might not be able to proceed with the transfer. So that's it for our little tip for today. Hope you're able to sell off your car to get you a new ride. So thank you for watching Motor Trader. Don't forget to click here to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.